Yeah, there was once a time I used to like finding these in the scrap. Not no more. Just stripped down, I don't know, what was there? 2, 4, 6, 7 of them. 7 transformers. Thought I'd save them up all at once and do them all at the same time. So I've been cutting them off, the bottom plates, and lo and behold, yeah, looks like copper. Don't be fooled. This stuff ain't copper, it's alley. So, out of all that lot, just one was copper, look. Nice bit of weight to that, but yeah, not very happy. Yeah, don't be fooled. These transformers are getting worse. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know.